This is the Americolor Leaf Green Gel Food Coloring, and this is really saturated. So I like the Americolor colors because you don't need to use a lot. This is in 1/4 cup of buttercream icing, and it's made with no butter. It's a practice icing that just has shortening in it, so it's very white to begin with. If you're going to use a yellow tinted buttercream because it has butter in it, you might need to adjust a little bit. But this is 1 drop in a 1/4 cup. This is 2 drops, and this is 3 drops. And there really isn't that much difference between the medium and the dark. And the light gives you a really good dark green color, like right off the bat with just a little bit. So if you need saturated colors, the Americolor goes a long way. I mean, you don't have to use as much of this as you do with other brands. And I was very surprised at how dark this is, just because usually you need a lot more food coloring to get that dark green. And this also, if you leave it overnight, it will get a little bit darker. But I'm very impressed with this green, and I would definitely use this myself.